Stop! You're making this mistake every day in your kitchen. Your electrical appliances are suffering, and you don't even notice. Let me show you why. Every appliance will tell you what to do and what to never do, so you can protect them and make them last longer.
I'm the microwave. Give me space around me so I can cool properly.
And don't run me empty. It can damage me. I'm the electric blender. Always secure my lid before turning me on. And never overload me. It can damage my motor. I'm the refrigerator. Keep my door closed so I stay cold and efficient. And don't overload me. It strains my cooling system. I'm the air fryer. Preheat me for better cooking results. And don't overfill my basket. It blocks the airflow.
I'm the stove. Use the right flame size for your pots to cook safely and evenly. And don't leave me on unattended, it's dangerous.
I'm the dishwasher. Load me properly so water reaches every dish. And don't block my spray arms, it reduces my cleaning power. I'm the electric kettle. Always fill me with enough water before turning me on. And never let me boil dry, it can damage me. Tell us which device you'd like us to talk about in the next video. Subscribe and turn on the bell.